So we're given these different inequalities, and we need to identify the one that, when we graph it, gives us a single line segment of finite length, meaning the solution is just a single line, and just it's not two pieces. For example, this would be two pieces, or something like that. For example, for x greater than 3, that's not a single line. So that's probably the first part about this question, is interpreting what they're asking. Now I'll graph all of these, and these are some of the common inequalities. So x to the fourth greater than or equal to 1. So all the numbers greater than or equal to 1, those would satisfy that. And of course, you can see immediately this doesn't have a finite length. There's of course another solution, which is negative 1 and less, but we don't have to do that part because we've already eliminated it. Then the second one is x cubed less than or equal to 27. And again, this would be x values less than 3. So we'll go like that. And that's going to include all of the numbers, negative numbers as well, because when you cube them, they stay negative. So again, this is infinite length, goes forever. So b is also out. And then c is x squared. And you'll see it's going to have similar structure as this. If we look at from, the solution would be 4 and higher, and then minus 4 and less. Again, not a finite length. And then finally we have actually choice D. Absolute value of x is between 2 and 5. So this is going to be numbers that are between 2 and 5. So all of these will satisfy this, but then so would minus 2 to minus 5 would also satisfy. So again, we have two segments that are both of finite length. So that one is out. And then finally we have 3x plus 4. So as you know, this has to be the answer. But to do these types of inequalities, you subtract 4 from all three of these terms, then divide by 3. So we get x is on the number line between, let's say if this is minus 1, that would be minus 2/3. This is 1, that would be, say, 2/3. All of these numbers. And so the solution here is indeed a line segment of finite length. So the answer is E.